Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. I have come up with another interesting video today, and it is going to be a store tour video. So do watch this video till the end. You guys might have already heard about Miniso store, which is a Japanese store, and this Latlive India store is again similar to Miniso, but it is a Swedish store, and Latlive in Swedish means easy life. So they have recently opened this store in Express Avenue Mall, Chennai, and this is located in the basement very next to Big Bazaar. So in today's video I am going to give you a store tour, a complete store tour, so that you can easily know about the products available and it will be easy for you to shop as well. So let's get into the video. Just like Miniso, they also have cotton pads here, which is very popular among the YouTubers, and they have this complete body care section where you get hand wash, body scrub, shampoo, conditioner, baby soap, cleanser, foaming gel, serums, etc. And this is a perfume section. And they also have soft toys in the similar range where you get it in Miniso, like 700 750 range mein you get these soft toys which are really cute. And this is the complete body care section. This is a section which actually attracted me. They have very cute keychains, and again stuffed toys, very cute stuffed toys, I must say. I just love the frog and the crocodile. They looked really cute, and they also ranged around 700 to 750, but yeah, I think it's worthy. I have already used one from Miniso and I really like that stuffed toy. So yeah, the quality is really good. If in case you're planning to buy one, you can definitely get from this store. And this is the hair accessory section. You get several different types of hair accessories here. And this is the jewelry section, very basic and cute jewelry. If in case you want to try, you can try from here. Limited varieties of sunglasses, but yeah, a really cute and affordable one. I think it starts from 300 or 350. The one which I saw was around 350, which was actually worthy. Then you have caps and hats and the pillows basically, and these are the ear bands, like ear muffs, really cute ear muffs. Then you have toy section. I actually found several toys here. The toys section actually looked very attractive because there are different kind of toys available in the store. If you have kids, they can definitely try out this store for toys. You also get party decoration related items here. I saw party balloons which looked really attractive. I think these are available online in Amazon as well. So these are the lint rollers, just to remove the lint on the cloth. You can use these rollers. I already have one and really loved it, so I got another one. And these are these cakes which actually looked cute. And this is the complete tool section, beauty tool section, where you get different varieties of brushes, manicure pedicure sets, mirrors, etc. And this one is the basic tailoring tool. If in case you want to stitch something, you can use this kit. This is also affordable. And yeah, again cotton pads, which is like very common, and these are related to fresheners room fresheners and car fresheners. And I also like the stationery section in the store because they had really cute stationery. I liked everything and they were really affordable. If you are a stationery lover, then I will definitely suggest you to try out the stationery from the store. They are really cute, and the notebooks and the planners and the cute gift sets are really affordable. There were several notebooks, you know, in the theme of unicorn, etc., which really attracted me, and I just loved this weekly planner. It was very cheap, just 175 rupees, and the weekly planner was really cute. And they also have these bottles, flask, mugs section, which is again very popular when it comes to these kind of stores. And as I told you, like, there were several varieties of toys, so toy section was actually great and the collection was also great. I also found out some kitchen essentials here, like milk pan, saucepan. I guess it's more than 1000 rupees. I'm not sure about the quality, but yeah, if you want, you can give it a try. And these are the spices storage boxes. This is baby bib. I think it's somewhere around 300, which I think is a bit costly. And there were also different varieties of dishcloth. Loofahs were there, which were really cute, and hair drying towels were also available. Different kind of hooks, suction cups, and mop holders were there. Mop holders were really nice and affordable. These are the hand towels, really cute and attractive designs, colors में available है. Please do check out, they are really cute. And this is the massager, I guess, body massager. Again, it was cute. Here they have these insulated lunch bags as well. And yeah, a good collection, a decent collection of flip-flops and socks. I did not find various varieties of storage boxes. I just found a couple of them. I'm not that happy with the storage collection, but yeah, you can give it a try. And as usual, there were different models of mats, etc. And yeah, I found out this makeup mirror, which is a foldable one. You can easily keep it on your dressing table or on the desk. A very good product. There were also cosmetic purses, pouches, etc. And these are the neck pillows, really cute ones. I loved it. There were also few backpacks. And here I found really cute mirrors, folding mirrors, and cosmetic storage boxes. These are the tissues, facial tissues, which you can use it for your makeup purpose. There were also bells. I also found one interesting product, which was the room freshener, and it was for 1500, which I really liked. They also had the accessories section where you get different kind of data cables, ring holders, earphones, speakers, and headphones. And this was the keychain section, very colorful and cute section, and my favorite part of the store. There were also masks available for 200 rupees. And that's it, guys. This was the store tour. I really hope that you guys love this video. If in case you're planning to visit Express Avenue, do check out this store. It's such a cute store. And if in case you like this video, please do give a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more such amazing videos. See you soon. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.